Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you guys are doing very well. Now today's video topic is Figma. Now I would like to show you how to create an Figma account, download and set up. First we open the desktop browser, then type to the search bar Figma, and hit enter. Go to the URL with Figma download. Then scroll down the page for go down. Now with the option for download desktop app like desktop app for macOS, desktop app for Windows, beta apps available. Now we chose the desktop app for Windows. Click the option and download. Now finish the download. Go to the download folder, go to program file, click Figma icon and install it. Here. Basically we will use Figma in a web browser too. Figma is a very lightweight software for UI, UX design. Now, we are going to create an account first. It's very simple, no need to panic, just open with Google account, that's it. Now we see the interface. Now click login with browser, then sign and click continue to the Google account, then open a short interface with mail address, then click the mail address, then click open the desktop app, show the pop-up, click open app. Now we see the interface of Figma. Thanks for watching this video.